welcome back to my channel. I just had the perfect, coziest fall day. Today I went to my sister-in-law Kaylin's house and my mother-in-law was there and we baked, we cooked, we did all the things. It's been raining since like Thursday afternoon, and so there's nothing better to do than get with the people that you know and cook and bake and all the things. It was just the perfect way to start the weekend. It's Friday and I'm so excited because we made chicken tortellini soup. We made pumpkin artisan bread, pumpkin shaped artisan bread. We made some cream cheese dip for an appetizer. We made harvest salad. I meal prepped cinnamon cold foam for our coffee this week. I mean, we made turkey chili. I forgot about turkey chili. We literally made all the things today. Oh, and I also made pumpkin chocolate chip bread for dessert, and I can eat it tomorrow morning with my breakfast. So you could say that we cooked a lot today, but I'm so excited because I just feel like this video, this night, and the next couple days over the weekend is the perfect time to curate a cozy evening routine. And if you're struggling to find an evening routine that you love or all that, I am all about romanticizing the simple things in life, and I love routines because I feel like I thrive off of a routine, and when I stick to that routine consistently, it's just so good. But anyways, like I said, it's been raining so much. Dinner is already prepped, so I don't have to spend any time prepping that. Just pop it in the microwave, and that's what we're having tonight. So I will be sure to show you guys what all we're having for dinner. I'm going to probably have the chicken tortellini soup. It tastes like chicken noodle soup with the tortellini in it, and so I'm so excited to eat that because it's rainy and it's cozy, and the only thing that you can do is be inside and enjoy this perfect fall day. I have my taper candles going. I bought the teapot, and you know how much? Want to know how much it was? $25 for this. Just being honest, if you go into most antique stores today, because antiquing is popular now and it wasn't years ago when I remember me and my mom would go rummage sale shopping. We would go to antique stores and it wasn't popular, and I loved it. So yes, I am an OG and I will take pride in that. But you walk into most antique stores today and an antique pot that is just for looks that you cannot use costs more than $25. I was so surprised because usually the Hearth and Hand, which is the line that this is from with Magnolia, Joanna Gaines line, usually stuff like this is not affordable. And like some of the stuff is affordable and then it's like $20 for a mug. I was so surprised that this was only $25. And not only is it cute and Pinterest worthy and aesthetic, it's practical, and I will use this, and I will be encouraged to use it when I have cozy nights at home. So, stainless steel teapot for $25. Definitely using this tonight for my cozy evening routine. I believe that it's going to be a part of my evening routine for the rest of like fall and winter. Probably will use it for tea in the summer too, not gonna lie. But anyways, I'm so excited to use this teapot. And I also bought 2 more candles because literally almost ran out of my other candles, and so I bought 2 more good smelling candles for tonight. But tonight we are going to have the coziest fall evening. It has been raining all day today, so literally I've just been stuck in the house. I say stuck. It's been very relaxing being able to be forced to slow down. We've just been snug as a bug in a rug in our cozy little house. Very, very slow Saturday, which is great. But we have a wedding this evening to go to, and I think for the rest of the day, we're just gonna see what the day brings us. Kyle's working out right now. I just made some raspberry hibiscus tea, which it was so funny because I showed you guys yesterday that I went and I got that teapot because I had been waiting a couple days, like, do I really want it? And I went and bought it yesterday along with some new candles, and I had dinner ready on the table. The candles were lit. The vibe was so immaculate, and then Kyle walks in the door because I had asked him to grab some poppies because I had forgotten to grab some earlier yesterday, and he walks in the door, and not only did he buy poppies, but he bought me the same teapot, and he surprised me with the same one because he knew I had been talking about it, how much I loved this teapot. And he also bought me some tea to go with it, some blueberry lemon and raspberry hibiscus tea. And so very, very, very thoughtful and sweet of him. I kind of regret going there after our baking day yesterday and getting it, because obviously he was planned on getting me it, but oh well. But it was just so thoughtful and so sweet, and it was just a great evening of food and just cozying up on the couch and enjoying each other's company. And it's been raining, so it's been extra cozy around here. I don't really have anything on the agenda today. I was gonna see if I could do like a little craft or something. I also wanted to bake, but I haven't been to the store this week, and so I literally have nothing in my pantry, so that's not gonna work. But my plan is to go to an orchard tomorrow with a friend, so hopefully we will still be able to go if this rain keeps up. It might be too muddy, but yeah, so we're gonna go to like an orchard tomorrow. They have like apple cider donuts, apple cider slushies, just very, very cozy and nostalgic. That's the word that I would use to describe this place. It's called Rindleman Orchard. And so we shall see if that happens, but if it doesn't, we'll have a cozy Sunday afternoon at home. But yeah, so the plan today is just to stay around the house, and I got all my chores done this morning, so there's not really anything to do. No resetting the house or anything. So we already ate lunch, so just kind of going with the flow over here, which is always, it's good to have balance, because sometimes I find myself going from one thing to the next, and this season can get busy, and so I'm glad for the slow days. We went thrifting yesterday for Kyle, and he is currently putting an outfit together for church, and this is what he has. A very like heavy knit pattern sweatshirt. I'm not really sure. Oh, it's a Ralph Lauren. Yeah, it's a Ralph Lauren brand, hand framed. Not really sure what that means. But a Ralph Lauren oversized sweatshirt. This was like $5. And then some also thrifted green, I wouldn't call these jeans, but pants that are a little oversized too. So you're gonna be looking fine for church.
Do you know where my Jordans are?